All right, guys, today we're shipping out a TimberTech AZEK. This is the Composite collection. Lately, we've been doing a lot of PVC, but today we're doing a Composite TimberTech AZEK. We're shipping out this order. It's going over to New Jersey. This is a Rustic Elm. On this order, they actually got all the decking they got. These boards on top, they're actually the fascia riser board. So you can order the decking, the fascia, the risers, everything comes on one pallet. This is Rustic Elm. Going to New Jersey, it's TimberTech AZEK composite decking. Here are the other choices of the terrain collection. So right here, that's Rustic Elm. This one right here is called Silver Maple. So the Rustic Elm is more of a brown. The Silver Maple is more of a gray, kind of a dark gray, but it has that nice wood grain on it, just Rustic Elm, Silver Maple. Here we go right here, that's Stone Ash. So it's similar to the Silver Maple, but Stone Ash, you can see that's a lot lighter. So if you want a darker gray, go with the Silver Maple. If you want the lighter gray, you go with the Stone Ash. These are all in the terrain collection. TimberTech AZEK, like I said, this is composite, so it's not PVC, it's the composite TimberTech AZEK. Last but not least here, we got brown oak. So Rustic Elm is like a darker kind of brown compared to this brown oak. You can see this is more of like a redder, kind of like a brighter brown, whereas the Rustic Elm is kind of a more, I'd say almost more of a neutral brown, and the brown oak is a lot warmer of a brown, kind of the same tones, but right there, that's the TimberTech AZEK terrain collection, all four of the colors here. Like I said, you can order the fascia, the riser, the deck boards, everything at Advantage Lumber comes on one pallet. You got your whole deck ready to go. We're packaging them up, shipping out the door. Order today, you get your whole deck.